Did you know that you carry a built-in health indicator right in your mouth? I am talking about your tongue. Ancient medical systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicines have long used tongue analysis as a key diagnostic tool to understand what's happening inside the body. A quick look in the mirror every morning could help you catch early signs of imbalance or illness. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe and watch. Here, what your tongue color says about your health. Tongue is an indicator of health. We'll discuss in detail here tongue color and its relation to health. Our tongue can reveal a lot about our internal health. Accordingly to study, is bad oral health has been linked to conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, anticipatory bowel disease, osteoporosis, pneumonia, and then rheumatoid arthritis. Here, let's try to understand the signs your tongue might be showing and understand what that means. Here, first, let's see what makes a tongue a health indicator. Tongue is connected to many organs and various systems in the body, and that reflecting changes in your health. And then its appearance. Here in this class, we'll discuss its appearance, texture, and color offer insights into your digestive health, nutritional status, and more. Here, let's see some common tongue indicators and what they mean. We'll start with the first, pink tongue. That is normal. Here it indicates it's a healthy, hydrated body, hydrated one. This is a normal tongue color, pink. Next we'll see red tongue. Here red tongue could indicate vitamin deficiencies like B12. And then nutritional imbalance also is suggested. And then infections like scarlet fever. And also some allergic reactions. And then glossitis, that is inflammation of the tongue, we can say. Kawasaki disease. Here it is inflammation in blood vessels throughout the body. And then here requirement means to change. That is include nuts and seeds in your diet and introduce green leafy vegetables in your diet. Next one is grey tongue. In the picture, in the image you can see grey tongue. Grey tongue may suggest eczema or peptic ulcer. And then poor oral hygiene. Certain medical conditions also it may suggest. And then certain foods and drinks. Here requirement is focus on excellent oral hygiene and then stay hydrated, avoid tobacco or excess alcohol and use an antibacterial mouthwash and then also limit sugary items or sugary foods. Next we'll see yellow tongue. In the image you can see. Yellow tongue could be a sign of liver problems like jaundice and then also it indicates bacterial infections and then digestive issues like acid reflux or build-up of bacteria and then dehydration, poor oral hygiene. It may also suggest that the body is fighting off infection or has an excess of heat and toxins. Here requirement is that in this condition avoid sugary foods and drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. A person must reduce caffeine and alcohol. Next we'll see white tongue. In the picture, in the image you can see white tongue. White tongue may indicate a fungal infection like oral thrush and then leukoplakia, that is white patches or plaques we can see, and then dehydration, poor oral hygiene, and then also poor digestion or toxins build up in the digestive tract. And then here requirement is that needs change in your lifestyle and diet. Stop eating large meals at night and then take diet rich in fiber. Avoid oily and fried foods and also avoid white sugar and refined flours and processed foods with colors and additives. Drink boiled water throughout the day. Next we'll see black tongue. You can see in the image. Here black tongue often caused by poor oral hygiene and then side effects of some medications like this one, antibiotics and then Pepto-Bismol. And then tobacco use, due to tobacco use and then heavy alcohol use. And also this one is the effect of radiation, that is radiation therapy. And then diabetes in rare cases. Requirement in this is eat a balanced diet with fresh fruits and vegetables. Avoid excessive coffee, tea and alcohol. And also sugar-free gum can increase saliva, chewing gum. And next we'll see purple tongue. Here purple tongue could indicate poor blood circulation, heart or lung issues, and then reduced blood flow, and then low oxygen levels, that is cyanosis. And then requirement is that avoid spicy, acidic or crunchy foods that can irritate. Tobacco slows healing, means you have to avoid tobacco. Next, orange tongue. In the picture you can see orange tongue can suggest conditions like poor oral hygiene, dry mouth, certain antibiotics, certain food items. Here requirement is that reduce consumption of orange colored foods or drinks high in beta carotene like sweet potatoes and carrots, or artificial dyes. Gargle with a mild salt water solution to cleanse and soothe. Eat yogurt with lye cultures to help balance oral bacteria. Next we'll see green tongue. The image you can see green tongue. Here green tongue could indicate bacterial growth, fungal infection, poor hygiene. And then requirement is that stop smoking and avoid spicy foods or harsh mouthwashes. Next we'll see blue tongue or lingual dyschromia. Here blue tongue could indicate lack of oxygen in the blood, or eczema. Here requirement is that steer clear of spicy, acidic or extremely salty foods as well as alcohol and tobacco products which can irritate the tongue. I hope you all are very clear with this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.